So this is the pattern how the letters can be rearranged in the coding letters. Okay, these are the exact letters. Okay, and these are the coded ones. Okay, fine. And this is the another one. Okay, so please keep all these things in your mind. Now let's see the very first question. If red is coded as 6720, then how green can be coded? Okay, let's see. Red, what they did, first of all, they arranged it according to the pattern. Okay, arranged it like this: first letter as the last and last letter as the first one, and it is in the middle. Okay, done. Now what they have done, they have written the position of the letters. They have written the position of the letters. That is, D is at fourth position in ABCD, like A, B, C, D. So D is at fourth position, right? So here we have written 4. E is at fifth position and R is at 18th position. Okay, done. Now what they have done, they have added 2 in each of these numbers. So after adding 2, you will get 6720. So this is how red is coded. Now similarly, we will do it with the green also. Arrange it accordingly how it has been arranged in this manner. Okay, it has been arranged. Now write the position of the respective letters. Okay, and after that add 2 in each. After writing the position of the letters, add 2 to each of them, and then you will get your answer. That is 16, 7, 7, 29. 16, 7, 7, 29. So your answer is option B. Now let's move on to the next question. If each of the letters in the English alphabet is assigned odd numerical value beginning at A equals to 1, B equals to 3, and so on, then what will be the total value of the letters of the word Indian? Okay, if here in this question it is saying that if A, B, C, D are coded like this. Okay, so if we start with A is coded as 1, then B is at 3, and so on, then how Indian will be coded, and after adding it, what value you will get? Okay, after adding it, what value you will get? That is your answer. So let's see. Here they have said that A should be coded as 1 and B as 3. So by seeing this only, you can see that they have added 2 to the 1, to the previous number. 2 added 2 to the previous number. Okay, so 2 plus 1 comes out to be 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9, and so on. Okay, and I have written it till N only. Why? Because we need the letters up to N only, not beyond that. Okay, so now write the respective numbers to these letters and add them. Okay, I is at 17th, so write it down. N is at N's position. According to this one, this coding is 27. Okay, and similarly we will do it for all others letters, and after adding this you will get 29. Sorry, you will get 96. I'm really sorry for that. You will get your answer as 96. So answer is 96. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Here A is written as 26 and sun is written as 27. Then how cat can be written? How cat can be written? Let's see. Okay, so N is here, N is in capital letters. Okay, so A is coded as 26 and sun is at 27. So you have to find out the coding for cat. First of all, you have to decipher these. Okay, let's see. Here A is at 26. Okay, now B is at 25 and C is at 24. This is the coding for these letters and so on. Okay, how we came to this one? Because when you will see the position of sun according the same pattern, you will get these numbers. Okay, when you will arrange all the alphabets of A, B, C, D according to the same pattern, -1, -1, you will do -1, -1, -1. Okay, you will get these numbers. Like, I mean to say that 8 at 8th. I mean for S the position will be 8. For U it will be 6, and for N it will be 13. The values should be 13. For N, the value is 13. For U, it's 6, and for S, it is 8. when you will arrange all the alphabets according to this pattern. Okay, so after adding all these you get 27 like this. Okay, done. Now see here, you have to write down the coding for cat. You have to write down the coding for cat. Here you can see that C is 24, A is 26, which is already given in the question, 26, and here you can see that S is at 8, then T is one position ahead of it, then it should be 1 minus. Okay, we will minus, subtract 1 from 8, you will get 7. Okay, so you got it for you got the value of T. Okay, now add all these. After adding all these, you will get your answer as 57. So your answer over here is 57. That is option C. Now next question. If O is coded as 16 and FOR4 is 42, then how front can be coded? Okay, so how front is front is equal to what? This is what this question is trying to say, and this is what they this examiner is actually asking you. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. O is 16 and 4 is 42. You have to find it for front. Okay, now here just simply add the position of these letters. F is at 7, O is at 16, R is at 19. Okay, see here, what they have done over here to check out the position of these letters like FOR, they have added 1 to each of them. Okay, I mean to say that they are like for position for F, the actual position is 6, but they have added 1 to that to get 7. Similarly, they have done it with O. O's actual position is 15. When you will add 1 to that, you will get 16. And similarly with R, when you will add 1 to the position of R, you will get 19. It means 18 plus 1, 19. Fine. So after adding all these, you will get 42. This is what the position of all these letters according to the coding pattern. Okay. Similarly, you will do with this one also. Okay. And how I came to know that this will be the code. This will be the the position of the respective letters. See here in the question itself, it is given. See, O is equals to 16. It means O's position is 16. But in actual O's position is 15. Okay, so it means that when you will add 1 to that, you will get 16, right? So this is what you have to follow in this coding pattern as well. Okay, so here also you will do the same thing. Just take the position of the respective letters, add 1 to all of them,